Forget prospecting, do this instead. It's the hot topic question. How do you generate more leads on social media? How do you have people reaching out to you every single day for information on what you're selling online? That is what this video is all about, and I'm so excited to dive in and really explain what attraction marketing is and how to use it on social media. Because if you're not getting people seeking you out, it's time to reevaluate and change up what you're doing online. Start attracting people to you instead of repelling them. My name is Steph, and I'm so excited to be with you today. I help people grow their online influence and profits using marketing strategies that actually work, and I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack. Now, there are 3 specific ways to attract people to you online, and I'm going to go through each of them today and give you some exact examples. But the key point to remember with all of this stuff is that when it comes to attraction, it's not about you, it's about them. And the more that you can communicate that in your branding, the better the results you'll get. What can I offer you? How can I listen to you today and solve your problems? And for my MLMers out there, if you're sharing tons of product pics or things like that or about the company, to be honest, again, remember that's making it about you and not the other person. So first up, what is the first thing that I'm doing to generate more leads on social media and have people seeking me out every single day? Well, it's to educate people. So what problems are people facing in your industry, in your niche, that you can solve? What is someone Googling right now to learn more about? For example, take the lady who just had a baby. Well, she wants to start working out again and she hops online, but holy cow, there are like a bazillion hits. It's like, where does she even begin to figure out what workout she should use? But there is this lady on social media who's a fitness coach specifically for women, and she follows her. And every single week, she shares one simple workout for moms to do after having a baby. And she does it. And she gets stronger and she's like, this is awesome. I want to do more. Well, the lady has a paid program. Boom, she's in. Here's another example for you how you can educate online. What if you own a boutique? Sometimes people don't even know what they need to know, right? They don't even know that they have a problem that needs to be solved. But you know, as a boutique owner, that certain types of clothes look better on certain body types. You are the expert. So instead of just showing pictures of your clothes, which you should be doing, you're also going to educate people and give them a tip. Whereas, oh, if you have a pear type body shape, this would look so good on you because of XYZ. Oh, you have more an athletic build, this clothing, you're not going to want to miss it. It's going to accentuate this and this on your body, exactly where you want people to draw their eye. Maybe you show them the proper undergarments to wear underneath their clothes so they actually even look that much better. Well, hello, you are the person that I'm going to want to buy my clothes from, because the information you're sharing is so helpful and it's educating me. This is key. Remember this. When you teach someone something and they apply it and then they get a quick win, that is money in your pocket because they're going to continue listening to you as you do more things and be more likely to buy from you. The key with all of this is that there are no strings attached. Now, what I mean by that is that someone could take the information that you share and go apply it and have a quick win without even having to buy from you first. So it isn't just you sharing a tip with your product that they can only use with that said product or with your coaching program or something like that. But in general, they can get value from it, use it, and gain something. Okay, so what's next? After educating, the next thing you want to do is to inspire people. And don't count this one out. This one is huge because do you have a negative Nancy in your life? Do you seek her out? Like, oh, this person is really going to lift me up today. Probably not. Negative attracts negative, positive attracts positive. And when you're sharing things that you have gone through and how you've overcome it, that's going to be encouraging to people. Big things or little things. People are drawn to inspiring people because honestly, let's face it, life is hard. None of us escapes this problem free. But you can bet that I want to hang out with and I want to follow the person that keeps it real, that listens to me and says, hey, I got you when life is hard. So I believe that sharing about things that you've gone through will help you connect with people online. And I'm not always just talking about cute, like color block posts on social media. I'm talking about going a bit deeper, being more real, being more authentic. So number 2, Go inspire someone today with your content. Finally, if you're growing a business on social media and you want more people reaching out to you, generating more leads, the next thing that I highly recommend that you do is this. Remember why people are online to begin with. You know, if you're like me, you're like, Steph, well, I'm online to run a business. Sure, I get that. But the majority of people aren't. The majority of people hop on Facebook or open TikTok because they want to be entertained. People pop online because they want to laugh. They want to like have a good moment. Likely they're bored. And so they're opening up their phone, checking out their app, and they're like, oh, hey, what's going on? And when you entertain someone, you're leaving them better off than when they found you. And maybe that sounds so optimistic to be like, oh, I'm leaving people better off, but it's true. Laughter is contagious, right? Like if you are married, I bet that one of the things that attracted you to your spouse was the fact that you enjoy their sense of humor. And the people you laugh with and have fun with, they're the ones you want to work with or have as a customer or a client. So remember why people hop on social media to begin with, and it is to be entertained. So your content should be entertaining. Stop taking yourself too seriously and have a little bit of fun. So I am doing these 3 things every single day online. My goal is to educate, entertain, and inspire with no strings attached. And it's like a grand slam if you do all 3 in one piece of content. Just this month alone, I have signed up 9 new clients and they all reached out to me because of finding my content, loving it, and taking that next step. I want to help you do the same. I want you to go to stephanieparisi.com and click on the pack membership. And there you can book a strategy call with me. And so we can figure out where you're at right now in your business, where you want to go 6 to 12 months from now, and how we can make that happen. Go out there, educate, entertain, and inspire your people with no strings attached, and watch your business change as you consistently do that. Before you pop off my channel, check out either of these 2 videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.